How do I move this? Oh, okay. Actually, the circle above is not very accurate circle. Now it's a much better circle. Okay, so okay, so this is a I guess this is a close to perfect circle. Just now the circle above is not round enough. Now it's round enough. Do you know why? Because now I start to use the I use the square, the grid, yes. Okay, I use the grid to help me. Can you see? Can you see? Now it's a perfect circle. Okay, so for a circle, this is called the origin, right? And a quadrant of a circle is or semicircle. Okay, so first, what is a semicircle?
Half circle.
Yes. So I just use a a circle to represent circle because I'm lazy to write down the circle, the word circle. So half a circle, so you just right. So this is the diameter because it's one point of the circumference to the other point of the circumference, and it goes through the origin. So therefore, this is called the diameter. So you can use the small letter D to represent this. Okay, and so the diameter in this case, actually, okay, I will say the diameter of a circle. That means any diameter. So this is the diameter. This is also the diameter. Okay, so it looks like I have to. This is also the diameter. As long as it goes to the origin and it touches, so the one point of the circumference touches the other point of the circumference and it goes to the origin, so this is also the diameter. So actually any diameter will actually cut the circle into half. Any. Okay? It doesn't need to be this horizontal straight line that cut the circle into two halves. Any. So actually, if you don't use this diameter, so maybe we just need to move it up a little bit so that it cuts through the origin. So this one also cuts the circle into two halves. Okay, so semicircle means half of the circle, right? So therefore, if you are asked to find the diameter of this semicircle, okay, so it will be this, right?
Yeah.
So we know that the perimeter of the circle, which is 2 pi r, so therefore semicircle will be half of perimeter of the circle is 2 pi r, right? Half of means what? Half of means half times, so 2 pi r. So if you do half times 2, that is 1, so you are only left with pi r. And this pi r is this part, right? And now you still have to plus the diameter to give you the semicircle, because the semicircle is this half of the circle plus the diameter, right?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Unless this diameter is not there. But for a semicircle, I think this looks like a semicircle with the diameter. So next time when you do semicircle question, you need to bear in mind whether you need to consider the diameter or not. Okay? So you look at the figure drawn to you. Okay? So in this case, your perimeter of this semicircle, so if you perimeter of semicircle will be pi r, which is over here, the arc, this is called the arc, plus the diameter. Okay? So it really depends on what is the r, then you can figure this out. Okay? So for the area of this semicircle is half of a circle, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So for area of circle is pi r square. So this is the area of the semicircle. Okay? And then it depends what's the r. So if in this case the r is equal to 5, okay, then you just plug in the numbers. So this will be pi r, which is pi 5 plus d means 2r, right? So it's 10, right? Then for this is half pi r square means 5 square, right? Then you just use the calculator. Okay, you don't have to add them up. No. I don't need you to do. So this is 5 pi plus 10. So this will give you so you use your calculator, 5 pi plus 10, then you will get the perimeter of the semicircle in this case, right? And then you just half times pi times 25, which is 5 square, then you get the area of this semicircle. Okay, so done for semicircle.